Are you aware of the astonishing fact that by incorporating superfoods into your daily diet can significantly boost your health and well-being? Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that can be especially beneficial to your health and to your well-being. Superfoods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And antioxidants decrease effects of free radicals that have close links with the following health problems such as heart and lung disease, stroke, cancer, and arthritis, autoimmunity, and even Parkinson's disease, to name a few. Hi, I'm Dr. Liz Perry, and I'm the author of Live Longer and Eat Better. And my channel is all about health and wellness and the quality of life. Using these 10 superfoods as a preventative health methodology is a good choice. Why is that? Because these superfoods are not only delicious, flavorful, and fulfilling, but essential for a well-balanced diet. Offering a maximum nutritional benefits, repairing tissue, promoting circulation of much-needed oxygen and blood with minimal calories. Common challenges we face sometimes when trying to eat healthy are feeling deprived or even overwhelmed. We may even experience swallowing issues, blood sugar irregularities, or lightheadedness. There are a number of reasons people fail at eating healthy, but the top 3 are: number 1, social pressure. Number 2, lack of willpower. And number 3, experiencing hunger and cravings. Perhaps you are not eating enough protein. Protein is an important nutrient for balancing our blood sugar, and numerous studies on protein have found that it can help balance our blood sugar levels, which is essential for avoiding hunger, cravings, insulin spikes, and lightheadedness, and any discomfort involved with diet change on our path to a more healthful living. The good news is superfoods can be the solution, but you must have a plan. I will offer some tips on how to overcome these challenges as we journey on toward a more healthful living. Did you know that there is no shortage actually of protein in the United States? What I mean is practically no one is protein deficient in America. Actually, America overindulges in protein more than any other country on earth per capita. And in fact, too much protein consumption over time can likely and will in fact shorten our lives. So where do we go from here to attain adequate consumption of protein to healthfully balance blood sugar? Plant-based protein choices are abundant and can be used. And just a reminder, if you want to start slowly, that works well too. What you can do is just simply add a minimal of 3 of these foods to your daily diet. That by itself is a wonderful start to a more healthful lifestyle. Yay! So let's now delve into each of these spectacular goodies and discuss their nutritious benefits and how to incorporate them into our daily living. Okay, on your mark, get set, and go. Let's explore what's on our list for today with these 10 superfoods, with number 1 being asparagus. Asparagus treats anemia, balances blood pressure and our blood sugar, boosts immunity, helps to prevent cancer such as breast cancer, colorectal cancer, endometrial cancer, kidney, pancreatic, and prostate cancer, to just name a few. Asparagus can be delicious at breakfast time with a scrambled egg, a fresh cup of berries, or later in the day with a small, fresh piece of wild salmon. Delicious, slightly boiled with lemon juice and a quick shake of sea salt and some pepper. Number 2 superfood on our list today is beets. Beets are treats. They contain chemicals that reduce swelling and lower our cholesterol. Beets can increase levels of nitric oxide in the body, which can be really good for anti-aging and youthfulness, and keeping our blood vessels healthy and strong, balancing blood pressure and making it easier for us to get out of doors, exercise, and harmonize with nature. Beets are treats. Eat them up. I love to juice beets with carrots, celery, and fresh lime. Delicious. Number 3 on our superfood list today is broccoli. Broccoli, it's high in vitamin C content, and it boosts the immune system and promotes collagen production, wound healing, and iron absorption. Broccoli is abundant in calcium and vitamin K, promoting strong bones and helping us to prevent osteopenia and osteoporosis. Steamed or boiled broccoli is like the new salad. Eat it by itself with some onion and garlic sprinkle, and it's delicious. Number 4 on our superfood list today is the carrot. Loaded with vitamin A and helps promote healthy vision. Vitamin A deficiency can cause what we know as dry eye, which affects our normal vision and can cause night blindness. The carrot helps our skin look beautiful, improves our skin health, and can improve our immune system too. Cook your carrots, bake or broil, and enjoy them with some fresh cabbage, a bit of honey, and a fresh glass of green tea. Next on our list is the cucumber. Natural anti-inflammatory, natural detoxifier, balances blood sugar, promotes healthy gut flora, reduces a fever, and strengthens our bones. Not only does the cucumber strengthen our bones, no, but it improves their overall health and condition. Cucumbers contain high amounts of what's called cucurbitacin, B, or QB for short. Research confirms that QB might be useful in fighting liver, breast, lung, and prostate cancer. So for this one, I like to peel the cucumber, slice it up, and sprinkle with some sea salt. Hang out by the seaside, on a boat, or the backyard enjoying these treats. Number 6 on the list is flaxseed. Flax seeds are number 6 superfood for the day. Helps us look youthful, loaded with antioxidants, and it helps protect against cancer. The flaxseed. It's really good for the heart. Research suggests that it's very preventative for various types of heart disease. and that our plant-based omega-3s reduce inflammatory action and regulate our heart rate. Sprinkle this powerful powder in your cereal or your smoothie. Number 7 is green tea. Green tea alleviates anxiety and stress and calms our spirit. It contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which alleviates anxiety and stress, helping you to relax. Helps protect against cognitive decline and helps support bone health. It is one of our long life foods, lowers cholesterol and may enhance our memory, and helps regulate blood sugar, and helps also to prevent type 2 diabetes, otherwise known as diabetes mellitus. And it also lowers the risk of stroke. Number 8 is kelp. Natural anti-inflammatory, boosts our energy, excellent for night blindness, strengthens our bones, improves the health of our thyroid, its function, and reduces hair loss. Good for the hair. Number 9 is spinach. Balances our blood pressure, balances our blood sugar, and it can help to prevent nosebleeds. It's also really good for the pancreas. Spinach is really good to make the pancreas more healthy. And cooked spinach is so delicious. Eat it morning, noon, or night, yummy to the tummy, any which time I find. Number 10 is the walnut. The walnut. Did you know that the walnut not only treats frequent urination, impotence, strengthens our kidneys, but also promotes optimal health to our brain and to our liver? How about that? The walnut. You can add the walnut to your sweet potato, your spinach, or your lunchtime salad. This perfect 10 rainbow of fun is all found within our superfood list today. Ultimate superfood of all superfood. Well, I'd have to say it's the green tea. Let me explain to you why green tea makes it to the top of the superfood chart. Green tea not only helps do all the things we spoke about, but green tea is the number 1 anti-cancer food of all foods. And it's also cooling and a welcoming beverage to stay cool in the summertime heat. Green tea is recommended to help prevent against cancer of any type. And be sure to get the highest quality of green tea that you can find and enjoy. To conclude, our superfood eating healthy makes us wealthy. And the rainbow is one of the most beautiful gifts of nature. Not only on the outside, folks, but on the inside too. So consume this rainbow of superfoods and you will be beautiful too. I encourage you all to eat at least 3 of these superfoods that we listed today into your daily meals, and be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your experience of your superfoods in the comment section. Jusqu'à demain.